Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Victoriasmoon. They did contact me and asked if I would want to do a product review, and I'm willing to try different diamond painting companies. So yeah, here it is. It took, according to my records, it took 18 days between when I told them which one I wanted and it getting delivered to my house, so not bad. Okay, so the box did get squished, but that's not Victoriasmoon's fault, that's just shipping. As long as whatever's inside is fine, I don't care that the box got squished. Okay. It doesn't have branding, it doesn't say Victoriasmoon on the outside, so... Okay, so nothing else in there. Okay, so it does look like the drills come bagged up, which is fine. I like it better than the ones that you have to cut open every single teeny tiny packet. And it looks like I'm just getting... Okay, so it does look like they have a little like product feedback card to send them if you ever need to send them things. And I got squares, in case you want to know. Just based off looking at it, I don't see any real issues with the drills, but I won't know until I work on it. So yeah, here is their toolkit. Let's see. Since I've never done a diamond painting from them, I figure show you everything. So it does look like they have the nicer tweezers. These are my favorite type of tweezers, and this might just be tape, so in case the portion of your diamond painting is not sticky, you could put some tape. And it looks like they have a pen with a squishy with the 10 placer, and then just the white boat and pink wax. So they also did tell me that they were giving me this pen extra. This is not going to be in normal orders from Victoriasmoon, but so just putting that out there. So this doesn't normally come with their orders, but I'm guessing you'll be able to order this on their site also. But yeah, it's this pretty pen. I actually don't have one of these. So it does look like this side of the tip is much smaller than normal diamond painting pens. So I'm not sure if it will work for diamond painting itself. I have to try it. But yeah, if you could see, it is much smaller. But maybe these will be good for, I don't know, ABs or something, or good for like if you kind of just want to nudge your diamond painting, like your drill in place. Maybe this wouldn't scratch the top as much as these ones, because I actually have scratched the top of, you know, you end up putting a groove in your diamond while you're moving and you're like, oh man, now I have to take the whole thing out. And then it looks like there's this other tip. It feels kind of waxy. So I think I've seen in other channels that you could use this for like special drills. I don't know. I'll have to try the pen out. Can I put it back in? So yeah. Now you want to see what I got. So it does look like it comes in... Okay, so there is an inventory sheet, so that's nice, and it looks like this diamond painting has 30 colors. So there is a little bit more symbolage than I like, but as long as they're clear, I'll be fine. It's actually all symbols, so yeah, I kind of prefer the letters, but as long as it's clear, I'll be happy. So I did end up getting a more manageable size. They did give me the option to go bigger, but I do want to be able to complete this in a timely manner. So I specifically chose smaller. Let me see. I'm really bad at showing these double-sided adhesive canvases. Man, I wish it came with the smaller strips. They're so much easier to open. I've seen people be hating the small strips. I'm like, I prefer the small strips because they're just so much easier to unroll from the diamond painting. So bear with me. Bear with me. So yeah, the first unrolling of any double-sided adhesive canvas is always very hard, but once you unroll it the first time, it usually isn't that bad the second time. So let me try to get the edges done and hopefully not rip this thing. So Victoriasmoon is a little bit higher in price point, so they're not a super budget friendly site, but they're not horribly expensive either. So yeah, this diamond painting, if I could open it, is a 40 by 40. On their site, Victoriasmoon looks like it's a UK based website. So the prices are in pounds. So on the site, this was $23.99 in pounds. So yeah, I think I might be getting it. So yeah, here it is. It's this flower. Do you see it? It's this way? It's this flower here. Let me go get the thumbnail, or let me close this up because I'm afraid of accidentally putting things on there. So yeah, the thumbnail for this, I did print it out, is this. It's this pink rose, I think, and with a blue background. So yeah, the reason I got this is I figured it will turn out in a 40 by 40, hopefully. And I thought it would be, yeah, so here it is. Here is the flower. I'm just trying to see if I see any really horrible puckers or anything. There are a couple like ridges here, but they're not that bad, so they probably will be, well, yeah, it doesn't look that bad. So I think this will be fine. So yeah, so there's the diamond painting. I will do inventory of this off screen, but look at how pretty this pink is. Look out for kitting up of this soon, because all of my product reviews, I do try to finish them sooner rather than later. So look out for a kitting up of this at some point. And they did also give me a 10% off coupon code. So if you want to try out Victoriasmoon, you could use the coupon code. But yeah, so here it is. Yeah, my unboxings are a little bit like, I don't know what to say. But yeah, here it is. Look out for the kitting up and then eventually a finish. And thank you to Victoriasmoon for allowing me to do this product review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.